Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Memorial Day, Monday, May 28th. Eyes are on Alberto, the system making landfall. As I do this update, let's start with the big picture. This is the water vapor satellite view, and obviously we'll focus on Alberto, but there is a trough in the western states, Alberto almost on the Gulf Coast. Let's roll the satellite view. There's marvelous satellite animations now we're getting with the high-resolution satellite data coming from GOES 16. It's still a subtropical storm. This is not your classic tropical system. There's not a lot of convection near the center. It's got some dry air in the circulation. It's got some characteristics of a mid-latitude system, so kind of a hybrid here. So it's going to go down as a subtropical storm with the center coming in just a little west of Panama City Beach, Florida. We'll check the radar loop. And again, it's got the convective bands wrapping around the system. There's been some heavy rain today. So far, heard of no reports of flooding, no tornadoes in the Gulf Coast so far. Things have fared pretty well down there. But again, the center is pretty much inland. This is the forecast track from the Hurricane Center. Basically, no change. The circulation will come on up through Alabama as a depression and a remnant low. Tomorrow, passing pretty close to Birmingham and then Huntsville. And remember, as we've been talking about for days and years, the worst effect of a system like this will be along and east to the right of that circulation center. This is the projected rain from WPC. We could see 2 to 6 inches over the eastern half of the state. Some spots may be 4. Some spots may be in excess of 6. And again, they got that little bullseye around Montgomery and Troy. Not so sure we can achieve that, but certainly it's going to be very wet, and we could see some flooding issues. This is the chance of flooding, and we have a high risk for parts of southeast Alabama and the Florida Panhandle, a moderate risk up to Birmingham and Anniston for tonight and tomorrow. So we'll be on the lookout for flooding, and there might be a few small, isolated, short-lived tornadoes. This is the severe weather outlook for tonight, and keep in mind this runs through 7 a.m. tomorrow. We now got the standards risk, 2 out of 5, the slight risk, including places like Auburn, Opelika, Lafayette, Eufaula, Troy, a marginal risk over to Montgomery, and down to Dothan and Geneva. And these little spin-ups are very tricky. They're hard to warn. They're low top. They're often under the radar, and many times they can get down with no warning. And then tomorrow, after 7 a.m., we have a marginal risk, 1 out of 5, for the northeastern part of the state. This includes Anniston, Gadsden, Fort Payne, Center, and Scottsboro. So we'll be watching the radar trends on that side of the state carefully. But again, clearly, rain is going to be the biggest issue here. Thought we'd peek, speaking of rain, peek at our radar. This is what it looked like up this way at 2:11 this afternoon. And things are pretty quiet, just a few little tropical showers around. Let's check modeling. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. And again, we've got what's left of Alberto coming through. Down below that, the GFS depicting 1,000 millibar low around Smith Lake. Let's go through the high-res NAM. This is tomorrow morning, or I'm sorry, just after midnight tonight, 1 a.m. The circulation center expected to be near Luverne. 7 a.m. It's near Wilsonville, and then 1 p.m. it's near Decatur. And again, it doesn't exactly matter, what spot this is going to be in. Just the main issue is that the greatest chance of flooding and isolated small tornadoes will be east of that circulation center tomorrow. And this is the QPF, 60-hour QPF coming off the NAM. And again, you can clearly see that sharp drop-off in the rain. If you're in West Alabama, you won't see much at all from this. Tuscaloosa, Demopolis, Greensboro, places like that. The bigger rains east of a line from near the Shoals down to Birmingham, down to about Andalusia. And we'll be watching for flooding. So let's go to Wednesday. Now, the remnant circulation is near Evansville, Indiana, way north of here, but there's a pretty moist air mass that's kind of lingering in place. So again, we'll have certainly the chance of scattered storms on Wednesday, but the rain not as widespread as what we expect tomorrow. A mix of sun and clouds, highs in the 80s. This is Thursday. Showers should be thinning out, upper 80s likely. But again, no doubt we'll see scattered storms around. And we're going to see that, almost every day in the summer. That's kind of standard here. This is Friday. The GFS showing 89. And the weekend, this is Saturday and this is Sunday. I'd say highs 87 to 90. Some sun at times and scattered showers and storms. Go to a week from today, we still got a weakness down through here, a little trough, if you will. And again, that's suggesting a number of scattered storms about. Let's go out there 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, June 7th. Heights coming up a little bit. Maybe that's a little drier, but even then you'd have to mention at least the chance of a pop-up storm in the afternoon. And the numbers, highs mostly of course, tomorrow will be in the 70s because of the rain. Maybe touching 90 by the weekend, but most days highs averaging in the upper 80s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.